Good morning, dear students. Students, today we will start exercise 5.2 of chapter 5, exponents. In our last class, students, we have learned about integers, exponents of integers. Dear students, we have learned how we can write exponent in the expanded form or how we can find the value of x, etc. But here students, we will learn about power of rational numbers. It means students, exponents of rational number. Students, rational number means p upon q. The number which we can write in the form of p upon q known as the rational number. Now students, this p upon q is having power m. It means students, this m power is having both p and q. Okay students, so we can write p raised to power m and q raised to power m we can write. It means student, this m is having this p and q both are having power m separately. Okay students, now on the basis of this concept we will start exercise 5.2. Now question number 1. Students, now question number 1 is expressed in exponent form. Exponent form means students, we have to write in short form with the power. So minus 3 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 5. 4 times we are having minus 3 upon 5. So students, we can write minus 3 upon 5 power 4. It is now in the exponential form and earlier it was in the expanded form. Okay students, now question number 2, evaluate. In question number 2 students, part 1 is minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 3. So student, first of all what we will do, we will write, we will remove this power. So minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3 downside 4 multiply 4 we can write students. Now students, 3 multiply 3 then 9, 9 multiply 3 it will be 27, downside 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64 and minus students, it will cancel out each other but one minus is remaining, so it will come with 27. So your answer will be minus 27 upon 64. So next one students, this like this you are to expand. This one, next one is my 1 upon 7 raised to power 3. Again student, 1 upon 7 multiply 1 upon 7 multiply 1 upon 7. 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 it will be 1. 7 multiply 7 49. 49 multiply 7 it will be 343. Okay students, now question number 3. Students, now question number 3 is express in exponential notation. Here 125 upon 27 is given in rational number, this is given and we are to find an exponential notation. So students, 125 we can do the prime factorization. I have done in rough column. 125 I have done prime factorization and 227 also. So 5 multiply 5 it will come at 25's place. Then for 27 we can write 3 multiply 3 like this students. Now it will be 5 upon 3 and powers are same. Powers are 3, so we can write whole power 3. 5 upon 3 whole power 3. Now students, second part. Students, now part second is minus 32 upon 243. Again students, you will do prime factorization as I have done. 32 I have done the prime factorizations and I have got 5 times 2. So I will write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 5 times and then this minus will come as it is. Now 243 I have got 3 times 5 times 3. So again here 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 will come. So students, now what you can write here, 2 upon 3 both are having same power. 2 is having 5 power, 3 is also having 5 power. So you can write 2 upon 3 whole power 5 and this minus will come as it is. So like this students, with the help of prime factorization you can write an exponential notation. Now students, question number 4. Students, now question number 4 is find the reciprocal of 5 upon 7 raised to power 4 minus 11 raised to power 5 and minus 1 raised to power 7. Before solving this question, students, first we will discuss what is reciprocal. Reciprocal means, students, opposite of the given number. Suppose P upon Q is a rational number having power m, then its reciprocal will be Q upon P. The reciprocal will be Q upon P and the power will be same. So what I have done, students, here P upon Q was written. I have done reciprocal means Q upon P, just opposite I have done, and power is same. So similar we will do here for 5 upon 7 raised to power 4. Students, it will be 7 upon 5 raised to power 4. Here minus 11 raised to power 5. So first of all we will write minus 11 upon 1 raised to power 5. Then in next step what will come, students? 1 upon 11 raised to power 5 and minus will come downside. As I told student, minus denominator should not be negative. So we can write minus 1 upon 11 raised to power 5 because denominator cannot be negative. Now minus 1 power 7, we can write again minus 1 upon 1 power 7. Now we will do reciprocal, then 1 upon minus 1 raised to power 7. Again, students, what we can write? Minus 1 upside and downside minus 1. Because, students, minus should not, denominator should not be negative. So this minus sign I have put it at the numerator. So minus 1 divide 1, it will be minus 1 raised to power 7. So minus 1 raised to power 7, the reciprocal will be minus 1 raised to power 7. Reciprocal will be same. Okay, students. Now question number 5, evaluate. Students, question number 5 is evaluate minus 3 power 2 divided by minus 9 upon 4 power 2. So first of all, students, I will solve this power. Then minus 3 multiply by minus 3. Then this division sign will come as it is. Minus 9 upon 4 multiply minus 9 upon 4. We can put here bracket. Now student, this minus we can cut with the minus. Okay student, this minus also we can cut with the minus. Now 3 multiply 3. This division sign I can convert into multiplication sign and I will do the reciprocal of 9 upon 4. It will be 4 upon 9 and again 4 upon 9. Okay students. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 4, 4, 4 multiply 4, this will be 16, 3 multiply 3, it will be 9. So 16 upon 9 is your final answer, students. What I did again, I am explaining. First minus 3 multiply minus 3, divide minus 9 upon 4, multiply minus 9 upon 4. First I have cut it minus with the minus, here also minus with the minus. Then same 3 multiply 3, here at the place of division I have done multiplication sign. Then at the right hand side I have just what I did here, reciprocal. 9 upon 4 will be 4 upon 9, multiply 4 upon 9. Then I have used cutting method and now my answer will be 16 upon 9. Now next part of question number 5. In next part, 5 upon 3 power 2 multiply 9 raised to power 2 multiply 2 upon 3 raised to power 2. Now 5 upon 3 multiply 5 upon 3, then 9 multiply 9, then 2 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3 will come. Now again we will use cutting method. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then 5 multiply 5, multiply 3, multiply 3, multiply 2, multiply 2 and downside 3 and 3. Now 3 we can cut with the 3, this 3 we can cut with the 3. Now what is remaining, students? 5 multiply 2 multiply 2. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50 and 50 2s are 100. What is your answer, student? 100. 100 is your answer. So students, in our today's class, we have done question 1 to 5 of exercise 5.2. Students, Till question 5 we will do today, and now it's your homework that 1 to 5 question you are to complete in your maths register. And in our next class, question number 6 of this exercise 5.2 we will complete, and we will start exercise 5.3 with new topic, laws of exponent. Okay students, so have a nice day all, and thank you.